So adventure gone wrong, badly gone wrong. We lost our trail while coming back, and now it has got dark, and the plan is to survive for a night somehow here. Adventure terribly gone wrong. Let's prepare for the night. Let's light some fire and hope we survive the cold of this weather. Yeah, put on all the jackets that you have. Yeah, all the friggin' clothes you have. We're gonna make it, no worries.
Yeah, we're gonna make it, but fuck.
Let's see how this stickhead is doing.
No issues. It will be all right.
Everything was also good, but this was so disheartening. आजा कमलिया आजा इस वारी हिमालयस का बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत वधिया दर्शन होए, दो जगह अपन नूं आउण दा मौका मिल गया.
All sudden plans, all instant plans, and all in a hurry, but still whatsoever was planned we did it.
ਤੇ ਇਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਲੱਤਾਂ ਬਾਹਾਂ ਚੱਲਦੀਆਂ ਰਹਿਣ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਰਹੀਏ ਪਹਾੜਾਂ 'ਚ, ਥੈਂਕਸ ਟੂ ਥੀਸ ਮਾਊਂਟੇਨਸ. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਮੋਹ ਬਣਿਆ ਰਹੇ. ਮਿਸ ਤੇ ਬੜਾ ਕਰਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ. ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ ਬਟ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਫਿਰ ਦੇਵ ਭੂਮੀ ਹਿਮਾਚਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. This view behind me is entire Dharamshala, and somewhere out there is Kangra. We are kind of lost right at the beginning of descent.
थोड़ा जल्दी थल्ले नु मूव करिए, हनेरा पै गया, बन बंदा पै जाना.
Be very careful, Matthias. Don't hurry. Go easy. Reminder to myself as well. फंस गया? फंस गया?
नहीं.
Matthias, just move to our side because it might move some stones. औखा भी इधर होंगे तो बहुत.
Easy. I think so you should move down rather than...
No, stay there.
There's good grip and grip down this one.
Grab this grip.
Yeah, careful now. Left foot, right foot.
Yeah.
Dude, clear grip.
Fuck. Matthias, what the fuck you been doing here? तू भी खलो यार, नाल ही भैनी होनी है, खलो जा एक मिनट. Now just move a little. Just be careful. चला जा.
चल.
हाथ पड़ मेरा. कूद से कुछ पत्थर पड़ के रख. आजा, हाथ पड़ा ऊपर. रुकना नहीं है तो भैन चोदा. ओए.
Drop your phone.
No, it was stone.
Okay.
अपना फोन चेक कर ला.
बैग में है थोड़ा उल्टा हो गया.
हाँ.
आकर के निकल गया सारा कोई लबड़ा पड़ा. सारा निकल गया बैग से. पकड़ के आ गया.
We climb down here.
क्या ना easy. तो सब कुछ चले गया.
Oh. So the guys are stuck here. This could be the last video of all of us. You never know. And Moonbee just had a bad fall from here. Not my mistake if you die because of something this big falling on you. Let's keep going. I mean, we should reach somewhere safer before it gets dark. Otherwise, we are kind of fucked. So, adventure gone wrong, badly gone wrong. We lost our trail while coming back, and now it has got dark. And the plan is to survive for a night somehow here. Adventure terribly gone wrong. Let's prepare for the night. Let's light some fire and hope we survive the cold of this weather. Yeah. So all of this adventure has already turned into a survival challenge. Here's Matthias sleeping or trying to get some sleeps. There's Moonbee. This is only thing that gonna keep us warm.
इधरों थोड़ी कड़ी लगती सब तो थले देखी मिलकी रेड होई आ
रेड तो तेरी होएगी सवेरे जे राह ना लब्बा
ਉਹ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਲੱਪੂ ਯਾਰ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਨਾ ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਦੇਖ ਕਵਰ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ
This is how we are killing time, waiting for the first sunlight.
This is how we have to spend the complete night
This fire,
without tent, without sleeping bags. First time experiencing this kind of thing.
and finally we are seeing a moon coming out here, making it a bit easier for us. Keep going, keep going. It is still not 12 yet. We have to wait till 6 a.m. All good so far. And good thing is we have figured out a way how we're gonna go out of this place. So just waiting for the first sunlight. So after surviving a night just under this mighty mountain, it is now time to move. And this tree has played a vital role here whole night. It kept raining after every 2 hours or something, and we kept running towards this tree here. Sitting there. That's where we kept our fire running whole night. ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਦੀ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਨਾ ਪੇੜ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਆਦੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਬਣਦੀ ਗੱਲ all the stones are quite loose, they can fall anytime. So this is what we are trying to go through, and it is damn extreme. It has good steep, and all these stones are quite loose. Every single stone that I'm stepping onto is falling behind. I don't know when and how we're gonna reach to the bottom, and it's already raining. That's good strategy by Matthias. That's how I did it. Well, this entire trek has been nicely fucked up by a wrong trail that we took from the starting point while descending, and had to stay for a night so that we can gather our courage to go down. And somewhere here starts some trail that I'm still trying to figure out where it is using Strava and Google Maps. Once I find that, then we're gonna walk for 1.5 kilometers. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's tough and not fun. This cannot get any worse than this. This was the only thing that was remaining, and now after this, I think there's one thing left, which is earthquake and falling of these stones on us. Rest, everything has been tried on us. Look at this fog and rain coming together.
Shallow.
Kids are waiting at home, so yeah, we have no other way. Keep going, keep going. Easy, easy, it's all easy walk from here. Mati sauna. You're gonna get 2 beers after making it safely down there. Things get really crazy and scary, so I have to keep cracking on some shitty jokes on them, just to keep the momentum high. आजा तेरा क्रोशिया तेड़ दे जाके. So I just saw something that we have been dying to see since yesterday. Let me show you what it is. We just found a trail which we gonna follow, go home, chill, and live our lives onwards. Matthias! Matthias! So this is the thing. We're gonna refill our water bottles from here.
Finally got a water source after almost 24 hours.
Yes, and we
So we had the
last
water
night
source
on.
yesterday at 11 a.m. So now today is almost 9 a.m.
Since yesterday, I just had one sip of water. Parla. Mati Sona. Go that way. Any player Even the cow is looking at us surprisingly. Who the fuck comes from this side? You cute little dog. He must be stronger than us on these tracks. I'm sure. So, this is not over yet. He's gonna come to pick us up by the car and then drop us to our bike's point. You can go by the car. But it all feels so better. Finally getting to walk on these plain terrains. After a long trek and after all these efforts, it all comes to an end now. We have finally reached to the mainland where people live and enjoy their lives, unlike us. And that's it. This was shit little trek for you. I didn't know about this, that this will go this wrong. So apologies for the exceptional adventures that were offered to you there. All credits go to this dickhead. He's been the track leader, and he was the one.
I took you straight to the top, and then when we are coming
And
down,
then
you are the track leader.
Then you brought us down straight to the bottom through
You
that
started it. Come this way.
that waterway.
If it ends good, everything is good.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah, that's the crux.
Lots and lots of stories to share in your life.
Although this trek went terribly wrong, but we had a really good learnings in this trek. So always carry your knife, lighter. Be prepared, no matter what, and no matter how easy the trek is.
Always carry umbrella.
Yes. Always carry your rain gears.
One shawl.
Yes.
for your survival,
Yes.
and then
Then
something to eat.
most important, if you have 0.1% doubt on the track and the route, always carry a guide. With all these cool learnings and cool flags, let's end this video here. I know it's gonna be a long video, Matthias. I will try to edit it in a really crazy way so that you watch it till the end. So bye bye. See you in the next track somewhere not in India.